Why guided meditation apps help with anxiety.
Guided meditation apps offer quick, accessible tools to calm your mind. When anxious thoughts strike, these apps provide structured breathing, soothing voices, and supportive guidance. By focusing your attention and following along, you can interrupt the cycle of worry and promote relaxation. Many users find even a few minutes using these apps can bring fast, noticeable anxiety relief.
Choosing the right guided meditation app.
There are many guided meditation apps available, such as Calm, Headspace, Insight Timer, and Simple Habit. Look for one that has brief, anxiety-focused sessions, often labeled as quick stress relief or anxiety reduction. Find an app with a voice and style that feels soothing and comfortable to you for the best results.
Getting started in under 3 minutes.
To use a guided meditation app for immediate relief, open the app and select a short session tailored to anxiety. Find a comfortable seat and press play. Focus on the instructions. Usually, these will involve breathing slowly, noticing sensations, or visualizing calm places. Allow yourself to follow along and let anxious thoughts come and go.
Effective tips to maximize relief.
Silence your notifications to limit distractions. Try using headphones for better focus and privacy. Breathe deeply and allow your body to relax on each exhale. Remember, it's normal for thoughts to wander. Simply return your focus to the guide or your breath. Repeating these sessions regularly can strengthen their calming effect over time.
When to use guided meditation apps.
These apps can be used anytime you feel anxiety rising, during a busy workday, before a stressful event, or simply when you need to reset. Practicing daily, even when you're not anxious, can also help train your mind to respond with calm more quickly when needed. Experiment to find the best routine for your needs.